while we're at it, let me show you one of my other creations. Built this about 6 or 7 years ago. This is, I'm going to call it the world's largest rope swing. I challenge anyone to find a bigger one than this. I'm sure they're out there. This is my little play toy. I come out here and swing like a little kid every now and again. It's just a cool feeling to go out flying over the water. And if it's a nice day, you just jump off and you hop right in and get a nice little bath and get to cool off and have some fun while you're at it. That's what it's all about here. So that's what I've tried to create, make a really cool atmosphere, somewhere where we can have a lot of fun. We've got swings, ramps, jumps, vehicles, jet skis, ATVs. I tried to make everything my dream life here, and this is just one of the parts of it. So come check it out. Yeah! Oh, kicked off. Yeah. Then you let go like this, grab on the pole and dismount. Not too hard.